Can I help you?
Yeah, looking for this guy, Willie Hayward. You seen him around?
Don't know him.
Take a closer look, tough guy.
Sorry, never seen him before.
Sure you haven't.
Reagan?
Hey!
Live rounds! Live rounds! Live rounds! Attention! Do I have any new recruits?
Sir, yes, sir. She is new, sir.
Name.
Brenda?
Is that a question?
I'm just here for fun.
For fun? Recruits, do we take this class to have fun?
Sir, no, sir.
No. You know what's not so fun, Private Benjamin? Spending 3 years in Sandbox. Shit, that's right, the desert, the Middle East. Bullets, body parts, and bombs flying over your head. Where is Bin Laden? Where is Bin Laden? Where is Bin Laden?
I'm pretty sure we got him.
Drop and give me 30!
On the ground?
Face down!
Alright.
1, 2, that's it! That's what I'm looking for!
I don't have to do this! America's a free country!
Oh, man down! Man down!